Easy bar preacher curl. This exercise isolate the bicep and help build mass and power. Sit on the bench holding the easy bar with an underhand grip and keeping your upper arm stable. Curl the bar by bringing it toward your shoulder and hold it for 1 second. Then lower the bar to the starting position with control form. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Barbell curl, a classic bicep exercise that helps build overall arm strength and size. Stand straight holding the barbell with an underhand grip at shoulder width, keeping the elbow close to the body. Lift the barbell up to your chest and then with the control bringing the barbell to the starting position. You have to perform it with the control weight without jerking the body. Do 3 sets of this and 10 to 12 repetitions and take a 1 minute rest after each set. Alternating dumbbell hammer curl. Stand straight holding a dumbbell in each hand with the neutral grip and keeping your hand close to your body. Lift the dumbbell alternately or together toward the shoulder and then squeeze the bicep and forearm muscle and then bringing the dumbbell downward with the control form. This exercise target the bicep brachii and brachialis. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Dumbbell concentration curl. This exercise isolate the bicep brachii and help improve the bicep peak. Sit on a bench with your leg extended and then hold the dumbbell in one hand, keeping the upper arm stable. Hang the hand straight down, bringing the dumbbell toward your shoulder and curl outward. Squeeze the bicep muscle, then slowly bringing the dumbbell downward. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands. One arm cable curl. By performing on the machine, you can create a continued tension on the bicep muscle, which help a lot in growing the bicep muscle. Attach the single D handle and stand facing the machine and hold the handle with the one hand, keeping the elbow close to the body and hand straight. Curl the handle toward your shoulder and then slowly bringing the handle to the starting position. With the same form, do 3 sets of it and 10 to 12 repetitions with both hands. Barbell reverse grip curl. This exercise primarily targets the brachialis and brachiodialis muscle, contributing to overall arms development. Like a barbell curl, your form will be the same, but you have to perform it by holding the barbell or easy bar with the reverse grip hand, keeping the elbow close to the body. Lift the barbell toward your chest and then slowly with the control take it to the starting position. It also makes the grip of the hand very strong, which help you a lot in lifting heavy weight. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions.